OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, let's take a look at removing features from a solid model. We can easily do that by heading over to the Command Manager, selecting Model Operations, and then Remove a Hole or Pocket. Let's begin by removing this hole. I'm going to take my cursor and simply left-click the boundary that represents the hole and then right-hand mouse click. Now you can see the hole's been completely removed from the solid model. Let's do the same with the inner pocket. I'm going to take my cursor and start left-clicking the geometry that represents the boundary of that inner pocket. Once I'm done, I can right-hand mouse click, and again, OneCNC has removed that feature completely from the solid model. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.